Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world and one of the most respected authorities in building wealth, said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. The events of 2020 that are following us into 2021 have made it imperative to be proactive in building wealth and cash flow independent of our current career and to have multiple streams of income. In this presentation, I am presenting an exciting opportunity for creating passive residual income where you can put your money to work rather than you going to work for money. You can capitalize and profit on a convergence of trends with no disruption to what you're doing right now. Daisy AI Crowdfund is one of the most lucrative and exciting projects of the decade. Welcome to Daisy. It's a decentralized system capitalizing on the power of artificial intelligence, otherwise known as AI. AI has become an important part of the future in so many industries, particularly the financial sector, and even more so in trading. We will show you how to financially benefit from a unique fundraising methodology that will revolutionize the future of AI. So what is Daisy? The Daisy project is a unique crowdfunding model for financial technologies. Crowdfunding has become a very popular way to raise funds, allowing everyday people to obtain financial benefits previously only available to large investors and institutions. One of the most common issues impacting new projects, particularly fast-growing projects, is the human factors of power, greed, ego, dysfunction, incompetence, and inexperience of key decision makers in the ownership and managerial level. To prevent these often common human factors from impacting the project's success, it was decided to use a smart contract to ensure all processes and distribution of funds is carried out exactly as designed without human intervention. This happens in a decentralized environment where there is no company, owners, or management, where once the smart contract is deployed, everything happens automatically. This creates a model where everyone can win, enjoy the profits, receive equity, and earn income, knowing that what was promised is delivered. The first project being crowdfunded by Daisy Crowd is the funding of Daisy AI, a revolutionary new AI trading technology. Those who choose to participate in the crowdfund will receive exclusive stock equity and profit rewards. Let us tell you more about Daisy AI that is being funded. Daisy AI is a decentralized AI system being developed by Endotech, a prestigious Fintech financial technology company based out of Israel. The goal is to create the next generation of AI trading technology that will not only look at the historical financial data, but also look at world events like politics, different financial markets, comments and posts made by social media influencers, natural disasters, and more that all have the potential to impact market conditions. This super AI is expected to improve the results of Endotech's current AI significantly. Daisy AI is the first project being capitalized by Daisy Crowdfund. Daisy AI will receive $10 million for development to further enhance their AI, and a further $500 million will be raised for live Daisy AI trading fund. Daisy AI is Endotech's path to becoming a public company. So who is Endotech? Endotech is the first technology partner for Daisy Crowdfund. It's a global fintech company specializing in AI trading technologies. The completion of Daisy AI is part of their roadmap to becoming publicly traded in 2022. Endotech is currently providing AI technologies for leading financial institutions. They have a proven track record for generating high performance results. The company was founded by Dr. Anna Becker and operated by top AI scientists. So who is Dr. Anna Becker? Her deep learning algorithms managed over $1 billion of investment under management and has been deployed in managing institutional monies for more than a decade. Her team of AI scientists have more than 20 proprietary AI systems in operation and serve as the AI investing backbone of trading at more than 150 investment firms across the United States, Europe, and Asia. At the age of 20, Dr. Anna solved a mathematical equation that had been unsolved for decades by a factor of 2, which now has wide applications in operating systems, database systems, and chip design. She has worked with CME, CBOT, FCMs, and other participants of futures and commodities in that ecosystem to promote algorithmic trading platforms to retail and institutional clients. Following her PhD in artificial intelligence at the elite Technion University, Dr. Becker has founded and sold several AI companies in the fintech space and is now the founder and CEO of Endotech. Her publications have been distributed in leading AI financial circles across Europe and America, and her machine learning systems have been integrated into some of the world's largest and most successful banks and funds worldwide, including Dragon Holdings to MF Global. Before we talk further about the results Endotech has generated and what benefits are available to you as a potential crowdfunding contributor, we need to give a legal disclaimer. Firstly, this is a crowdfunding opportunity, not an investment opportunity. You are rewarded for your contribution with equity in Endotech and rewards from the trading profits generated as the new Daisy AI trades in the Daisy Fund. The Daisy Trading Fund is for the purpose of development and testing of the Daisy AI. Past results Endotech has generated do not guarantee future performance. Historical results are for information purposes. Trading results are contingent on profitable trading results. All trading performance will be visible to provide transparency to each crowdfunding contributor. Please note, Daisy is not available in all countries. There are many types of opportunities in the marketplace. Some have short-term potential, others long-term. Many make all sorts of promises and fail to deliver. No one cares about your money as much as you do, so it's important to do proper due diligence. Looking at the roadmap for Daisy, you can quickly get a sense of the enormous potential and longevity. The success and viability of the Daisy crowdfunding opportunity is very much based around Endotech, the fintech company responsible for developing the new AI trading technology, looking after the Daisy Trading Fund, and the delivery of the equity shares in the IPO, as well as the trading rewards. Endotech is not a flash in the pan. Even though it was registered in 2012, there was already a history of more than a decade of developing trading technologies for institutions. In 2017, Endotech started developing technologies for the emerging cryptocurrency space, which was put into use in 2018. In November 2020, Endotech was valued at $100 million. Daisy Crowd was launched in January 2021 with the goal of providing $10 million of funding for Daisy AI development and $500 million for the Daisy Fund, a live trading fund for the purposes of development and testing of the Daisy AI. In 2022, Endotech is planning to go public. In addition, they plan to create AI technologies for the Forex market and raise a further $1 billion for a Forex trading fund. In 2023, the goal is to then develop AI technologies for trading stocks. This roadmap details a very lucrative and bright future for all contributors. So while past performance cannot guarantee future results, it can provide evidence of what results have been obtained and the potential results in the future. Endotech has developed multiple trading strategies, including the alpha strategy, which utilizes trading methods called shorts and long positions, capitalizing on the upward and downward trends in the market. In this example, you will see the fund has $1 million being traded. The annual license fee for an institutional client with Endotech is $125,000. Starting in 2018, trading was conducted over a 34-month period with 21 winning months and 13 losing months. The average annual profit was a staggering 814% when compounded, yielding a result of 2,239% over a 34-month period. This is a very attractive outcome. Another strategy with a higher risk but higher yield opportunity is one that utilizes something called leverage. Endotech started using leverage strategies as of September 2020. This account has a $10,000 balance as of September 1, 2020, and by 11th of November that same year, a little more than 2 months, it had generated 297%, which when averaged out to an annual result would be an annual return of 1,577%. This occurred with one winning month and one losing month, indicating the high upside of a winning month using leverage. The good thing is you do not have to do any trading, know anything about trading, or have an interest in trading, but you can profit from the crowd fund and the subsequent trading profits of the Daisy AI that it generates in the Daisy fund. And you can see real results in real time in your Daisy back office, all accessible on your phone via an app. So no matter where you are, you can track the progress and enjoy potential rewards while you sleep, work, and play. Let's now look at the rewards for crowdfunding contributors. You can participate in Daisy starting with as little as $100 and build up 10 tiers of contribution, with each tier offering additional benefits. Each contribution receives a proportional share of 5% of Endotech stock. 50 to 70% of each contribution goes into the Daisy fund for trading as part of the development process of the Daisy AI. 70% of the trading profits generated in the Daisy fund by Daisy AI are rewarded back to contributors as trading rewards. 15% of the trading profits are paid back through the Daisy referral plan. This lucrative Daisy referral plan is available to all contributors. As much as 46% of each crowdfunding contribution is paid through this referral plan. One of the major attractions of the Daisy project is the use of a smart contract to conduct all the processes of the project and to distribute all funds instantaneously. Smart contracts are one of the big innovations that has come from the use of blockchain technologies that underpin all cryptocurrencies. Each contributor will fund what is known as a Tron wallet to hold their funding currency, and this wallet connects directly with the smart contract. When you make your crowdfunding contribution, it is dispersed instantly as follows. 50 to 70% immediately is sent to Daisy Fund, controlled by Endotech. Up to 46% is sent to Daisy Crowd to be used for the referral plan payments. This is paid out instantly to all qualifying contributors. 85% of the trading profits generated by Daisy AI in the Daisy Fund are distributed back to contributors as trading rewards, with the remaining 15% going to Endotech as their performance fee. As a result of all referral plan payments and trading rewards being paid out immediately, there is no risk of abuse, misuse, or errors made in the distribution of funds. To allow execution of the smart contract in a decentralized environment, a choice of blockchain had to be made. Currently, the Ethereum and Tron blockchains are the only choices, with Tron being seen as the most desirable for smart contracts. Why? The smart contract on the Tron blockchain allows automated interaction between you, the contributor, and Daisy, and removes the need for a company to be in control, avoiding the human frailties that have often plagued many opportunities. It also ensures all processes and distribution of funds are executed instantly with 100% transparency. The Tron blockchain is among the fastest and most scalable. In fact, it is 8 times faster than Ethereum and 667 times faster than Bitcoin. The Tron blockchain also has low gas or transfer fees that allow for high-performing smart contracts. It is in fact 20 times cheaper on average when compared to Ethereum or Bitcoin. Tron is a top emerging decentralized app platform with a big future. To remove the volatility exposure of traditional cryptocurrencies, it was decided to use a stable coin that was pegged against the US dollar to ensure predictability for funding contributions and the receipt of trading rewards and earnings from the referral pay plan. Hence the use of Tron USDT TRC20. Tron USDT dominates all USDT liquidity in the USDT market on the blockchain. All contributors who do not refer anyone or are not actively referring others also get to enjoy passive income. Firstly, they will own shares in Endotech or equity. These shares can be sold in the future or receive dividends. Secondly, all contributors receive trading rewards as a result of successful trading performance by the Daisy AI in the Daisy Fund. Thirdly, the Daisy referral plan offers all contributors the ability to earn commissions on the first 2 generations of their network, even though they may have not made any personal referrals. This is part of the unique design of the Daisy pay plan model, where the activity of your referrer and their upline can lead to their referrals becoming part of your network, earning you commissions. There are no qualifications to earn on the first 2 generations of the network, so this offers the potential to earn commissions that could equal up to 48% of the value of your crowdfunding contribution. As mentioned earlier, there are 10 different tiers of crowdfunding, starting with $100. You can add each one in sequence up to 10 tiers. You cannot skip any tiers as you progress. The maximum crowdfund per contributor is $102,300. 50% of the first 7 tiers goes to Daisy Fund, and 70% of tiers 8 to 10 are allocated to Daisy Fund. If you crowdfunded all 10 tiers, you would have $69,070 being allocated to the Daisy Fund, generating ongoing passive earnings for you in the form of trading rewards as the Daisy AI trades those funds. So now let's summarize the different types of contributors and how their contribution impacts the amount of funds going to Daisy Fund and the potential trading rewards. Those who fund tiers 1 to 7 have 50% of their contributions allocated to the Daisy Fund. Those who fund tiers 8 to 10 have 70% of their contributions allocated to the Daisy Fund. For those who fund all 10 tiers, they are called VIP contributors and have the ability to receive privileged access to Endotech, where they can have 100% of personal trading funds traded by Endotech. Let's see how it works. The normal fee to pay to have direct access to Endotech is $125,000 a year for what is called an institutional license. In addition, you will typically need a minimum of $1 million to trade to take advantage of the Endotech AI trading technologies. However, Daisy provides a unique way to access Endotech without having to pay the $125,000 annual license. Simply fund all the way to tier 10 and receive VIP status. 10 tiers is a total contribution of $102,300, where $69,070 of that goes into the Daisy Fund, generating ongoing trading rewards. So Daisy VIPs have no annual license fees, but institutional level access to Endotech and their amazing AI technologies. As a VIP contributor, you can start leveraging the AI technology, trading as little as $20,000 instead of $1 million. The trading funds stay in an exchange account with well-known international exchanges like Binance and Gemini, where you control all the funds. You pay a setup fee equal to 5% of your trading capital, which can be deducted from your initial trading balance or paid separately, as long as the net trading balance is a minimum of $20,000. VIPs keep 80% of the profits generated, with 10% of the profits being paid to Endotech as their performance fee and 10% of profits paid through the Daisy referral plan. If you would like to become part of Daisy, whether it's starting with $100 or $100,000 plus to be a VIP, all you have to do is follow the simple steps below. Step 1, download a TronLink app from the App Store on your phone. This app is where you can register an account with Daisy, hold your USDT to fund your tiers, and receive your trading rewards and earnings from the pay plan. Step 2, prepare a minimum of $100 of USDT in your TronLink app. Thirdly, obtain the Daisy referral URL from your referrer to be able to register for an account via the browser in your TronLink app. And lastly, fund your first tier with $100 of USDT, and then you can choose to upgrade to higher levels and enjoy additional benefits. Thank you for watching this presentation. We now invite you to get started today And together, let's create history with Daisy.